medyo pag-training yung pagka-capture ko sa video na yun dahil nag-off yung lights nila. Tsaka hindi ko makita, pero at least ba, makita nyo kung gaano gaganda ang CPU mo. So, next na ako. I'll see you sa bahay or sa studio ko. In 3, 2, 1. Bye. What is up mga katropa? So dumating na din tayo sa wakas galing from school. So nakita nyo naman sa video kanina na galing sa school is talagang tiring yung pag-travel mula doon sa school patungo dito dahil I think from the city is tatlong syudad pa ang aking madadaanan before makarating sa aming munisipalidad. Talagang oh my god, it's so tiring, pero survive pa rin kahit ganun. Before ako magsa-start sa aking vlog is makakain muna tayo guys para merong talagang gutom na sa pag-travel doon. I-review ko lang sa inyo is ang vlog natin is preview tayo sa application na We Sing. So later na lang. So see ya. Kain muna ako.
Okay guys, we are here testing the We Sing app for you. Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even, ooh. Spend the late night making things right between us. Oh, it's all good, baby. Roll that backwood, baby. Baby, close. Cause girls like you run around like me. Got a sign come true. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and need me too. What I want can come true. I need the girls like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Spent last night on the last flight to you. Took a whole day up, trying to get way up, ooh. To spend the daylight, trying to make things right between us. Now it's all good, baby. Roll that wood with me, baby, close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till the sun come true. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, need me too. What I want when I come true. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Stop it! Stop it, it's a cop!
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Thank you for listening.
It was very fun. Talagang pati na rin ang We Sing na app is disagree na rin sa aking voice. So pasensya na guys sa aking voice, pero
Paos lang talaga ako ngayon.
to all na ang karaoke talaga is very popular among all the Filipinos. Kahit sa anong lugar or kahit sa bahay mo lang is hindi makukumpleto ang isang bahay kung walang isang karaoke, dahil you get to used to it na talagang ang mga Filipino is mahilig sa musika. So and I am proud to be Filipino kahit hindi ako masyadong maganda ang boses, pero talagang I'm proud to be a Filipino na we Filipinos are very fond of making music. So if we trace back in our history, is music is very important sa mga traditions among us. Pero anyways, that is the We Sing app na ating trinay ngayon na maybe if gusto nyo, you can try it, and you just need to download it in the Play Store. Nandun yun agad-agad. Kung gusto nyo mag-practice ng sing or i-improve ang mga sing abilities nyo, nandito lang. Hindi nyo talagang maganda ang technology na hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng mga DVD tsaka mga ano pang mga echichebureche na TV ganyan para lang maka-create ka ng karaoke. Sa mobile phone mo lang ngayon is nandyan na ang karaoke, nandyan na lahat na. So that is very nice na meron na tayong mga technology na ganyan. So we should cope up with the environment and the new technology na improve natin at saka nasa kamay na natin. So what are you waiting for, guys? You can download it in the Play Store right away or in the App Store sa mga Apple devices, and try to enjoy it with me or with your friends, with me, and with others. So if you happen to love this video, guys, ano, iba-iba tong pagkakat nga guys, pero hindi ko pala. If you happen to love this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channels and turn on the notification bell, guys, para ma-update kayo sa mga videos ko na i-upload ko. So this video is very fun dahil nalaman yung hindi talaga kaya yung boses ko. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next videos. Yo, what is up mga katropa? Yo, what is up mga katropa? So here, this is the second vlog. Wait, let me have the lighting first. There. Light. There. So this is my second day or second vlog in my channel. So our rules is to have our savings put on. So I have another 20 pesos to put on for the second vlog revenue. So you are witness. So bakit ba ako nag-English? So kayo ng witness na naglagay na ako ng 20 pesos sa aking revenue or sa savings ko sa aking vlog. So that's the one, guys. Better to save for your future than to ask money for your parents like that. So better learn to save, guys. Thank you for watching.